Okay, so I have been requested to do another Sue's Quick and Easy slot here, and I'm going to make like an impromptu chili today. I don't know really what I'm going to be doing, but I'm going to try it out. I have a lot of vegetables to use, that's why I'm doing this. So, anywho, I chopped up 4 little shallots, the small baby onions. Oh, those might have been baby's baby, but oh boy, they made me cry, let me tell you. Then I also had 4 large tomatoes. These are all going in the pot. The crock pot is what I'm using today. And if you don't know what I'm making yet, it's just an impromptu chili. It will be good, I hope. These are 5 little mixed peppers, red, green, and orange. Needed to use those up. I have 2 bags, so that's going in. This is just kind of like the leftovers chili, you know? All the stuff that you need to use up in your fridge, slap it on in there. Pre-chop is always good when you're doing a show, by the way. Okay, my camera died on me. So what I'm doing now is I am putting 1 cup of water in here because you need a little water. The tomatoes will juice out and everything, but you need a little bit of water too. Then we're just going to put this on high and let it do its thing in the crock. And then we'll come back and I'll add a few more ingredients and we'll see what's up with this impromptu chili. And yes, my crock pot is a bit dirty. It's just, well, not really dirty, just well used, I guess. So anyway, I did try to like wash it down a little bit, but those were some cooked in stains, you know, this baby gets hot. So I will be back to show you the next step after this is cooked on high for a few hours, so be back. Okay, so my vegetables have accumulated some more water in there, which is what I expected would happen and what I wanted to have happen. So we're just gonna give this a little stirly-roo. Not like it really needs it, but I don't know, I just always, every time I open a lid, I feel like I have to stir it. Anybody else like that? So this is 1 pound of hamburger that's mostly cooked. It's still got a little bit of pink in it, but it will cook the rest of the way in here. I drained the juice off of it already. We're just gonna add our 1 pound of hamburger meat to this and then give it another stir. Then, because this will still be cooking a little bit more in the slow cooker for a really long time, you know. So that'll be okay. And then we are going to have 1 can of kidney beans. I only had 1 can. I thought I had 2, but my hubby's not a big fan of beans. In fact, he likes the chili no bean stuff. And I did rinse this, by the way, too. I just rinsed the gooey stuff off of there, the slime trails, and then I put water in here too and drained that off. So I got all the slime out of there mostly. And then what I have here, this is a chili making kit. And it's for 2 pounds, but I've only got, it's for 2 pounds of meat if you have 2 pounds of meat, but I've only got 1 pound of meat and not as many beans. So what it comes with is garlic, some chili spices, some salt, but I'm not going to use this little salt packet and open it up because I have my own salt, so I'll just save this for something else. And then they said cayenne pepper. They said only use half if you don't want it really, really spicy. I don't want it like super, super hot, so I'm only going to use half. In fact, I'm going to use half of each one of these things because I don't have 2 pounds of meat. Typical problem, right? So here we go. We're just going to use half and then reserve the other half of these packets for another time and another chili, I guess. So use half of that. And half of this. I got my scissors. I'm not, you know, risking my limbs and my fingers with a knife. I'm just actually using scissors. How unlike me, huh? Then we're going to have half of these chili spices. A little bit more. Then we're going to use half of the cayenne. Like I said, I don't want it like massively spicy. Don't want to burn my tongue off. Might need some of my taste buds for later. So I'm not going to use all of that. A little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to save half of that too. And that is my chili. I know everybody does chili different ways, and that's fine. You can do it whatever way you like. I don't think I need to add any more liquid to this because it is looking mighty good. I'll give you like a better little, maybe a little better peek. I don't know, but I'll try. That is my chili. Can you see it? It's looking good in there. So I'm just going to go ahead. It's looking really good. I'm really amazed with myself. So I'm just going to go ahead and let that cook for another couple hours. And then, you know, we'll come back at some point and do a taste test. So we'll be back. Looking good. Okay, I am back. I'm going to take a lovely little test of my lovely chili here. I forgot in the last video to add some salt, so I did that. And this is looking really, really good. So I'm going to take a little taste test for y'all, and we'll see how it is. Get a piece of hamburger. It is spiced perfectly. The salt is just right. I probably added about maybe a tablespoon. Probably a little less, but anyways, this stuff is good, guys. Some people are a little bit intimidated for making chili, but you know what? Use the ingredients you have, make it quick and easy, throw it in your crock pot, you're good to go. So try it. And you can use chili on so many different things too. So that's my recipe for today. Thank you guys for joining me. I know it's been a while. And take care and have a fabulous weekend. Or week. Or something. Weekend. Talk to you guys later. Bye.